folded in
We're
It
protected by
looks
the
like
electric
its
fence here.
neck is made up of testicles.
neck theories.
Come on.
Oh god.
It's a fence. You can get in there with it and you'll be fine.
It's a bird. What can it do?
Plus, if you stay in your ground,
What's it
stay in your
doing?
ground, I'll be fine.
Is it gonna shit on us?
Is it gonna say bang?
What do you think?
It's got a lot of feathers, that one, man.
Yeah, I know. Come on.
Wow. That is the
That's a
chillest-
cool chicken.
That's the
That's a pretty cool
that is
chicken.
the cool. That's the chillest
chicken.
I've ever seen.
Do it again. That was stupid.
Come on. It did it twice. Do it again.
I think we're challenging him to like
Turkey
fantasy and what.
Turkey off.
I challenge you to a turkey off.
It looks like its neck is something out of Rick and Morty.
We heard that.
Yeah, I
We had that
know.
one before. That one's about to fuck the wombat.
It's gonna turkey slap. So many puns.
You know why the turkeys are fucking? One leg up and the other up, basically. Makes them look like there's some.
Come on, big stuff.
Extend your...
I'm gonna nickname you Thanksgiving. Come here, Thanksgiving. Oh, I did it again.
It makes such a stupid noise.
What noise isn't stupid, Harry?
Good time.
Let's make these weird.
Are you looking that up? That's looking at how to piss off a turkey.
What can you say or do to piss off 90% of turkeys?
Not a fart noise. Oh, come on, please do it again.
Fatality, how to piss off a turkey.
Fatal.
Well, that's not gonna happen anytime soon.
Arabs?